How to use Direct Investing TFSA Tracker app properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most people assume Direct Investing's TFSA Tracker is just for monitoring accounts, but the surprising truth is beginners often miss key features that maximize returns and avoid penalties. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is not tracking contribution limits. TFSA accounts have annual limits, and over-contributing leads to penalties. Always log deposits accurately and monitor remaining room. The second mistake is neglecting portfolio performance insights. Direct Investing provides analytics on returns, asset allocation, and risk exposure. Beginners often ignore these metrics, missing opportunities to rebalance or optimize growth. Another common error is overlooking diversification. Many stick to a few funds or stocks, which increases risk. Spread investments across multiple asset types for stability and better long-term performance. Beginners may also miss out on automatic alerts. Direct Investing can notify you about contribution room, dividend payments, or portfolio changes. Ignoring alerts can result in missed opportunities or accidental overcontributions. Finally, some users fail to review fees. Management and trading fees, even small ones, affect net returns over time. Understanding costs upfront ensures realistic expectations. Used correctly, Direct Investing TFSA Tracker helps you stay organized, compliant, and strategic. Track contributions carefully, use performance analytics, diversify, enable alerts, and monitor fees. Avoiding these mistakes ensures your TFSA grows efficiently and safely.